Most of the misconception about asbestos has been created by the industry, which is manufacturing asbestos containing material. You got to understand that in the earlier 3-4 decades, in the 70s, 60s, asbestos was marketed as a miracle material. And that advertising which took place created such a good value for asbestos, not knowing the harmful effects of it. Millions, billions have been spent in marketing this product as fire resistant, acid resistant, and its basic qualities. And it was so cheap, it was such a wonder product that industries which use it have really promoted it big time, and some of them are still resisting change and still doing it today. Right from not only in India, in the US, a lot of companies went bankrupt when people found out how that asbestos affected them. And this is why industry is so protective in communicating this message down the line to the common public.